everybody, this is Mr. C with your new online video recorder lesson series. In the website that you see connected to our school's website are a series of videos for every grade level in grade 3 and 4, plus some extra resources for grades 5 and 6. You are able and welcome to use the resources with a substitute teacher here at the school if you are in session, or on your own at home, and you can see how far you advance. You can also prepare to earn your levels of ability belts, 3 different colors per grade level, 3 colors for grades 3, 3 for grade 4, 3 for grade 5, and 3 for grade 6. Because of the pandemic lockdown, a lot of the systems that I have used in the past will change as we move forward, but I still have same expectations of everybody as far as how well you play, whether you follow the instructions. You do not need a paper book. You can use the online resource, and there's going to be other instructional videos in this series to help you through this. But as you go through the songs, you might be able to pick up stuff on your own faster than just to watch me teach you the lessons here in the classroom. Please click on the other video links to begin the instructions. Thank you very much.